recently saw about some foods that are great for keeping the skin young and well preserved. Did you watch it? In today's video, you will see some homemade medicines that are good for cystic acne. Do you know what cystic acne is? Acne is an inflammation underneath the skin layer that appears throughout the body, especially in the back, neck, and chest. In the cystic type, the villain is the excessive production of sebum and keratin, which clog the pores and prevent the skin from excreting these substances, causing red and painful spots. We still don't know exactly why they appear, and the reasons vary from person to person. Cystic acne is generally caused by hormonal changes, bad eating, and genetic predisposition. Inadequate care of the skin and body tends to worsen inflammation. The hormonal imbalance caused by stress, puberty, hormonal diseases, and even the menstrual cycle interfere with the sebaceous gland's activity, doubling sebum secretion on the skin and causing acne. About eating habits, the regular consumption of sugar, carbs, and milk worsen acne since they are highly inflammatory, causing a rise in insulin levels to break glucose. This overstimulates the sebaceous glands, and they produce more sebum than usual. Genetic factor, on the other hand, happens because the behavior of our sebaceous glands is hereditary. To put it simply, if the parents produce too much sebum, their children will probably have this characteristic too. Let's see 4 homemade medicines that you can try. Ice. Since ice reduces swelling, itchiness, pain, and redness, some experts suggest rubbing an ice cube over cystic acne until the cold becomes uncomfortable. It is recommended to do it 3 times a day until you notice an improvement. Vinegar. Some supporters of natural healing mention the antibacterial properties of vinegar to combat cystic acne. They recommend using 2 caps of white vinegar diluted in 3 cups of water and applying this mixture over the skin twice a day. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Turmeric. Since it is anti-inflammatory and antiseptic, experts recommend making a facial mask with turmeric to treat cystic acne. Mix small amounts of water and turmeric powder until it becomes a thick paste. Apply this paste directly over the affected area and leave it for 45 minutes. Then rinse with water. Repeat this process twice a day. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil prevents the proliferation of cystic acne and is great for acne and alleviating pain and swelling in the skin. Isn't it amazing? Talk to your doctor or dermatologist before trying any of these medicines. You can try the following steps. Don't wash your face too frequently. Twice a day is enough. Use a neutral soap and warm water. Don't rub your skin. Avoid abrasive soaps, astringents, cleaning beads, or exfoliating agents. Leave pimples alone. Prodding and popping makes things worse. Avoid wearing heavy makeup. When using makeup, choose non-comedogenic formulas that are water-based and avoid oil-based ones. Remember to remove all your makeup before sleeping. Watch your eating habits and other factors, such as stress, anxiety, and menstrual cycle. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.